Welcome to Genius Dreams Education channel. So today we are going to look at how we can add a drop shadow to this text to make them more visible. In case these were in white color, so let me just make a copy of one of these text, Ctrl J, and then I'm going to change this color to this color like this. So for example, I'm going to add a drop shadow to this color to make it more clear or viewable. So I'll double click on this layer and you see a new window will open. Then you go through the options, you see drop down shadow or drop shadow here. You select it, then you click on it. So when you click on it, this is the color of the drop down shadow. You can change the color to any color you want. So now you can see how it looks like as compared to the first one, which was not all that clear or visible. So this is the opacity. You can adjust it, and this is the distance of the shadow. So the more you increase it, so you can just aim it and adjust it to achieve the color you want. So now you can see how this one looks like as compared to the first one. So that's how you can add a drop shadow to a text. So you can do same for the rest of the text too. So I can select the first layer, and you can add a drop shadow by either clicking on the FS or double clicking on the layer. So let's use the FS tool. Click on the FS, then you see drop shadow. Click on the drop shadow. So now you see it has been added automatically when you add, because we've already take it. So I can change the color to any color I want. So I want to use a color like green. So now you can see the effect. Let me click on OK. So let me come here and adjust the distance small, and then let me decrease the opacity to. So now you can see the effect of the drop shadow on that text. So I can also go and select another layer and add same drop down shadow. So when I select it, I'll then double click or go to the FS to add the drop shadow. So when I double click, I'll then select it. So that layer is this one. So I don't want the green color. I can then double click on it and then change the color to the color I want. So if I want to use the yellow, I'll then select this yellow. If I want black, I'll then select black. If I want blue, I'll then select blue for that. Then I'll click on OK. I can increase the opacity, and then that, I think that is it. If I decrease the opacity, I can get the desired color I want from this. So this is how you can add a drop shadow to your text. You just have to select the layer and you click on the FS, or you double click to add a drop shadow. So now you can see that this is the layer I just selected. So I can then change the color to somewhere like green, and then if you increase the distance, you see the effect. Adjust the distance to a suitable form, then the spread, let me decrease it. So now I think this is okay. Let me set the noise. So you can see you can use the drop shadow to make your text more viewable or more visible. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to get weekly videos on Photoshop. Goodbye.